Let's find the perimeter and the area for the figure below. A right triangle with base 1.7 meters, height of 1.9 meters, and hypotenuse of 3.1 meters. We start by needing to draw a right triangle, so we'll draw a triangle, and in this triangle, it's a right triangle if one corner, one vertex, is a right angle, 90 degrees. And so this is a right triangle. Let's label the three sides. So the base is 1.7 meters, the longest side. The height, the left side, is 1.9 meters. And the hypotenuse is 3.1 meters. For us to find the perimeter, we're going to add up these three sides together to come up with the total length. So the perimeter, P, is equal to 1.9 plus 1.7 plus 3.1. Let's add these numbers up. So using long addition, we'll have 1.9, 1.7, and 3.1. Adding these up, 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And bringing down our decimal point, the total becomes 6.7. The perimeter of this triangle, the total length, is 6.7 meters. There's our first answer. Now, let's find the area of this triangle. First, let's erase our computation. The area is the material on the inside. And to find it, we'll use the formula from the lower right side of our screen. Area is 1/2 BH, where B is the base of the triangle and H is the height. So let's first copy down the formula. A equals 1/2 BH, B times H. Now B represents the base of our triangle, which is 1.7, and the height is the left side of our triangle, which is 1.9 meters. Let's plug these two numbers in for our variables. So our formula will become A equals 1/2, the base is 1.7, multiplied by the height, 1.9. So next we need to multiply 1/2 times 1.7 times 1.9. To do it, let's first multiply the two decimals together and then multiply that result by 1/2. So to multiply 1.7 by 1.9, we'll use long multiplication. To do it, we'll first multiply 9 by 1 and 7, and then 1 by 1 and 7, and add the columns up. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry the 6. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 6 is 15. Now for our second row, we'll use 0 as a placeholder, and 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 1 is 1, and we've used 6 already. So, if we add the columns up now, 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 7 is 12, carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Since we have two numbers behind the decimal point, our imaginary decimal point and our answer will move twice to the left, since we have two numbers behind the decimal point. That means that 1.7 times 1.9 so far becomes 3.23. And our area is equal to half of that. For us to find 1/2 of 3.23, let's convert 1/2 to a decimal, and we may recall that 1/2 converts to the decimal 0.5. So 0.5 times 3.23 is what we need to find next, and then we'll be done with our area. So on our right, let's write 3.23 multiplied by 0.5. Again, we're about to multiply 5 by 3.23 and then move the decimal points. So 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. Since we have three numbers behind the decimal point totally, our imaginary decimal point will move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That means that our result is 1.615. So our area to this problem is the area 1.615 square meters, since area is measured in square units. That means that the material inside the triangle will measure up to 1.615 square meters. So, in summary, our perimeter, the length going around the triangle, is a perimeter of 6.7 meters, and our area is 1.615 square meters.